Welcome everyone. Today we're unboxing the much anticipated Hubsmith HS-Bumbee P CA349F RCE Ratchet. Let's dive right in and see what this cutting-edge carbon wheel set has to offer. As we open the box, the first thing that strikes us is the elegant and secure packaging. Hubsmith thoughtfully includes 2 spare spokes and nipples in the kit for easy repairs, ensuring you're prepared for any unexpected maintenance. Hubsmith has ensured that the wheel set is well protected during transit, making for a great unboxing experience. Included in the box, we also have a set of quick-release skewers and brake pads specifically designed for carbon rims. Hubsmith has thoughtfully included everything you need to get these wheels ready to roll. Now, let's carefully take out the wheels. Wow, look at these beauties. The Hubsmith Bumbee carbon wheel set is absolutely stunning. The carbon fiber finish is sleek and sophisticated, hinting at the high performance these wheels promise. Each wheel is hand-built by skilled wheel-building technicians, ensuring precision and attention to detail in every spoke and rim. Getting a closer look, you can immediately see the meticulous craftsmanship. The carbon rims are lightweight, yet incredibly strong, designed to offer optimal performance, whether you're climbing, sprinting, or cruising on flat terrain. The brake side features a milled groove drainage design to enhance braking performance. Exclusive drilling angles for hubs and spoke holes. If you notice, it reduces the corner angle. The aerodynamics of the wheel set are also worth mentioning. The deep section rims are designed to cut through the air with minimal resistance, helping you maintain higher speeds with less effort. Just look at that Hubsmith high tensile and high pressure rim tape. The elegant water decal rim pattern is just amazing. All come with high precision, smooth and wear resistant ceramic bearings. Let's delve into some of the standout features. This wheel set features the advanced zero-time planar tooth ratchet freehub. It has 2 parallel tooth surfaces with 48 teeth to achieve a zero-gap occlusal action at the same time, which provides superior engagement and power transfer. This means quicker acceleration and a more responsive ride overall. And there you have it, the Hubsmith HS-Bumbee P CA349F RCE Ratchet Carbon Wheel Set. These wheels blend cutting-edge technology with top-tier materials, resulting in a product that any Brompton cyclist would be proud to own and ride. Thank you for joining us for this unboxing. We can't wait to test these wheels out on the road and share our full review. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below.